What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a very exciting day for me. I got a brand spanking new truck here. It's a Monday morning in Georgia. It's nice and warm outside. We're gonna have really good lighting today. This is a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. It is in the white color. It looks amazing. This truck has 206 miles on it. I have had possession of this truck for about 4 days now. The customer bought this truck from a dealership. I think it's in South Georgia or like North Florida somewhere down below us. I think he's a local guy. I think he's in Georgia here, but this truck was kind of hard to find, he said. But he had the truck shipped from the dealership in Florida, I think it was, to here, and he's never seen it before. So we're about to start on it right now. We ordered a BDS lift kit for it. We're actually doing the 4-inch BDS lift kit. We're doing a set of 295, 55, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. This is 35, 12, 35, 11, 50, something like that tire size. It fits perfectly on the factory stock 22-inch wheel that comes on this truck, and it clears with no wheel spacer on this 4-inch BDS kit. Now, if you try to recreate this with a different brand tire, different size tire, different lift kit brand, something like that, I don't know if it's going to work. Everything is so tight on this fitment that I don't think that you could like throw a rough country on it because the spindle width or something like that, something's going to hit. We're doing the mud flap delete kit on this truck, the 6-piece. I believe we're doing the sharp truck ones, the better looking ones. They're a little bit more expensive, but they fit the truck a little bit better. I don't think we're gonna have to do much trimming, if any at all, just a little bit of plastic maybe. This truck is going to look amazing. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like on the outside. Here's our beautiful truck. Like I said, the lighting out here is amazing. Birds are chirping, the temperature's good. I'm excited, it's springtime. We're about to have a good season of this truck building stuff again. Appreciate you guys so much for bringing us all these trucks. Brand new truck. This one hasn't even been, like I said, driven anywhere other than from the dealership to here. The windows are pre-tinted, which is cool. I don't know how that worked out, but look at this truck. I almost don't even want to drive it. It's so clean. Still has all the plastic wrap on all the stuff. Yeah, this is beautiful. I love the white. The trucks do look a little bit small and a little bit puny from the factory like this. This doesn't look like a, an aggressive, kind of off-road truck at all. This looks like something you may drive to Sam's Club and drive to the golf course, but we're gonna change that today. We're putting those 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers on it with the factory wheels. It's gonna be like an OEM Plus style look. It's not going to look, huge and gaudy or just obnoxious in any way. It's going to look really nice and clean. So stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it pulled in right now. Appreciate you watching.
Won't be no different. Where's my sleeve at?
back in our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. The truck is amazing. I just drove it around. I swear the truck feels like it's driving softer than it did from the factory. I know that's the truth. The angles are better. The tires on this truck fit perfectly. There's not a lot of cutting on the body. The mud flap deletes are on it. It looks very, very stock. Like I said, OEM plus, that's what we have here. So I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Here's our amazing 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. It's in that beautiful white color. Has the 35-inch, what's a metric 295 5522 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire on it now. It says right here 35 1150. That's what it is in the metric conversion. We didn't cut any metal up here on the bumper. We did a little bit of trimming on the inside of the bumper, the plastic part area there, and we did some trimming back here in the back side. We did put the mud flap delete kit on here. It's a 6-piece kit, so it comes with the rear 2 pieces as well. It gets rid of that bottom plastic piece that hangs down. The mud flaps are kind of in the way and they're kind of ugly. The tire fits nicely, like I said. We did the BDS lift kit. I'll show you the upper control arm first. This comes, it comes on the 4-inch kit. Here's your extension rod for your ride height sensor for the magnetic ride control so that everything works there. There are no lights on the dash of this truck. The Super Cruise works. Everything works the way it's supposed to. This is the best lift kit you can buy for a Denali or Denali Ultimate. There's your cross member. It comes with a skid plate right here. Here are the axle angles that I promised to be at 0 degrees. They're amazing. Everything that you need to function on this truck still works the same way. It doesn't drive any differently. It turns as sharp as it did before. There's no limit to the turn radius. The overall presence of this truck is great. It fits everywhere that you want it to fit, drive-throughs, parking decks, stuff like that. But you get that little bit of a subtle, raise and more aggressive tire to the truck. It looks nice. If you guys have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out. I'm gonna attach a quote for a job just like this right after this clip if you're curious. If you have any other questions, you call me. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake, and we're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. And I appreciate you guys watching.